This I completed on the third stage of life. Daisaku Ikeda wrote this book, and it is very, very useful for our life purpose, soul purpose also. So there are many topics what we always used to see in our life. So I had wrote in my language. So first chapter is all about to how we sustain in life. Second chapter is all about the hard work. Third chapter is all the details related to death and life. And fourth chapter, very beautifully shared by Ikeda Sensei, take the right action. It's all about taking the right action. Fifth chapter, sixth chapter, whatever you read chapters, but experiences or whatever we want to sustain our life, health issues, financial karma related to marriage. It's a wonderful book, and I revision, and it's such a lovely way to chant, and how we should chant properly. It is so well written by Daisaku Ikeda. Thank you so much, Sensei. Thank you so much. Grateful gratitude.